making fun of me. I did have something in my throat.
Yeah. You don't want to be on camera, do you?